Now, today is Global Hand Washing Day celebrated across the world. Dettol NDTV Banega Swachh India is going to take you across the country where school children have gathered together to paint for a hygienic India. Now, we did speak to Dr. Harsh Vardhan, the Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, and began by asking him about making sanitation a national priority and why that's very important and what the government's main thrust will be for a sanitation program.
You see, I think our Prime Minister has already announced a huge, you can say, sanitation drive for everyone in the country to participate and make it a big national movement. And as Health Minister, I always feel that strengthening sanitation is like strengthening your own health, making it better. And I think this hand washing today on this Global Hand Washing Day, making it again a part of the lifestyle or the habit of every Indian, irrespective of whether he is a poor man or a rich man or a villager or a city dweller. I think that is everybody's duty to make sure that we convince everyone in the country to wash his or her hands before taking food, before cooking food, after defecation, and I'm sure this is going to help us in a big way to check the preventable deaths, particularly from diseases like diarrheas and pneumonias and many other things like worm infestation, etc., etc.
We also asked Dr. Harsh Vardhan about the problem that we see on the ground in many places is that there is no access to water and that this impacts both a person's ability to use a toilet and wash their hands. So, how will this be tackled?
There are so many issues and so many problems in the country. I know that for good health you need potable water. Our Prime Minister is looking into each and every issue very meticulously. Very scientifically is trying to assess the situation, and we are trying to find out even out of the box solutions for that. Certainly, you see, like many other issues, this issue also has to be dealt with on priority, and we are looking at it very carefully.
Now, some of the reasons for poor sanitation are rooted in poverty and inequality and also economic issues. But do you feel one can still move ahead with a sanitation program without addressing root causes?
You see, I have always believed that there has to be the use of everything possible to promote positive health messages. The televisions and the radios and the IAC methods are one amongst many, but we have to use the whole community. We have to use the you can say faith leaders, you have to use the social leaders, you have to use the professional organizations, you have to use the resident welfare associations. I think if the people all over the country will appreciate that this is a small intervention, with a small intervention you are likely to get very strong positive outcomes. Everybody would like to put in his heart and soul into it, and this is something which doesn't involve any cost. It just is adding something to your habits, which most of the people, I'm sure, are already having it, but still there are a large number of people in this country which, because of ignorance or maybe poverty or because of illiteracy, may not be knowing that just washing their hands can keep diseases miles away from their children.
And what are some of the innovative strategies that the government is using or plans to evolve?
You see, obviously for any strategy that we frame in health, we have to strengthen it from all aspects, and budget is certainly something which you have to always look at, and that is why I always say that even without the budget, you should look at innovations which will at least make sure that we can optimally utilize what we already have.
Also, there is this talk of infrastructure awareness. Now, is there a greater budget allocation for this?
I think I have to congratulate you, and I have to appeal to everyone, all the TV channels and all the people in the country to propagate this message in a big way, I would like to ask all the mothers and all the teachers. Mother is the nucleus of the family and the teacher is the nucleus of the school. To spread this awareness in a big way, and I would particularly appeal to school students and college students to become the messengers as well as the army of our positive health message, and particularly for this hand washing on the Global Hand Washing Day.